Have you ever wondered how some older men still stay firm and confident without relying on pills? Here's the truth most people don't talk about. There are a handful of vegetables that naturally support blood flow, testosterone, and performance, even after 70. No gimmicks, just real, science-backed foods that help your body do what it was always meant to do. In today's video, we're revealing 5 powerful vegetables that can quietly restore strength, stamina, and confidence. From hormone support to better circulation, each one plays a unique role in helping you feel more alive, maybe even better than before. Stick around till the end, because this isn't just about food. It's about feeling capable again. Let's get into it. 1. Beets. The natural blood flow booster. One of the most powerful tools for older men is a humble root veggie you've probably overlooked: beets. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This compound relaxes and widens your blood vessels, essential for improving circulation, especially to areas that often lose responsiveness with age. As we get older, our arteries stiffen, and blood doesn't flow as easily. Nitric oxide helps reverse that. When your circulation improves, everything downstream works better too. Take Harold, 74, from Kentucky. He started drinking beet juice with breakfast. Within 2 weeks, he noticed better energy during the day and a difference at night, if you catch my drift. You can roast them, steam them, juice them, or blend them into smoothies with banana or berries. The key is consistency. Even small amounts a few times a week can help your blood vessels reopen. And when blood moves freely, confidence follows. 2. Spinach. Supporting testosterone. Naturally, you might know spinach from Popeye cartoons, but it does more than build biceps. Spinach supports testosterone production, something that matters more than ever after 70. It's packed with magnesium, a mineral essential for hormone health. Magnesium helps lower cortisol, the stress hormone that suppresses testosterone. It also contains folate, which supports nitric oxide production. Bill, 72, from Maine, started eating spinach salad nightly. Within weeks, he had more energy, slept better, and said his wife noticed the change before he even mentioned it. To keep its benefits, eat spinach fresh or lightly cooked. Stir it into eggs, add it to a sandwich, or toss it into a smoothie. Your body needs magnesium daily, so this isn't about eating a mountain of greens. It's about showing up with that handful every day. 3. Celery. Turning the volume back up. Celery might not scream vitality, but it has a quiet power you shouldn't ignore. It contains a natural compound called androstenone, a pheromone-like substance that may subtly enhance how attractive you smell to others. Some researchers believe celery can increase your body's natural signals, which often fade with age. Beyond that, celery is a natural diuretic. It helps reduce water retention, lowers blood pressure, and improves circulation, keeping everything clear and flowing. Roger, 75, from Colorado, started snacking on celery and hummus in the afternoons. He wasn't expecting anything, just liked the crunch. But soon he felt more alert and, in his words, less invisible. Not into raw sticks. Dice it into soups, stir-fries, or chicken salad. Or juice it with apple or carrot. It's simple, but often the quietest habits have the biggest impact. 4. Garlic. Strengthening your inner system. Garlic is nature's blood thinner and a powerhouse for men over 70. It helps open blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and support healthy testosterone levels. The key compound in garlic, allicin, boosts circulation by relaxing blood vessels. That means better blood flow where it matters most. It also helps balance hormones and reduce the low-grade inflammation that slows everything down as we age. Walter, 82, from Ohio, started spreading minced garlic on toast with olive oil. Within weeks, he said his energy improved, and so did his connection with his partner. Not a miracle, he said, but it made a difference. To get the most out of garlic, crush it and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking to activate the allicin. If eating it raw, start with small amounts in dressings or dips. Yes, the smell is strong, but so are the results. 5. Kale, the overlooked vitality booster. Kale might not feel like a bold choice, but it's one of the best vegetables for older men looking to boost nitric oxide production. It's high in nitrates, antioxidants, and magnesium, all of which support blood flow, hormone levels, and muscle function. Better blood flow doesn't just help in one area. It boosts your energy, improves movement, and helps you feel more in tune with your body. Earl, 79, from Georgia, added kale to his morning omelets after seeing a video on superfoods. "I never liked greens," he said, "but after a few weeks, I had more energy, and I even started waking up with a little more confidence." You don't have to eat it raw. Lightly sauté it, blend it into smoothies, or mix it into soups. The more consistently you eat it, the stronger your nitric oxide production becomes, and the more you'll feel the results over time. Final thoughts. If you've made it this far, you already get what most people miss. Aging doesn't mean giving up. It means adapting and choosing smarter fuel. Beets, spinach, celery, garlic, and kale aren't magic cures, but they're powerful allies. They help support healthy blood flow, hormone balance, and overall vitality, without pills, without side effects. And remember, this isn't just about intimacy. It's about waking up with purpose, moving with ease, and feeling strong in your own skin. You've spent a lifetime showing up for others. Now, it's time to show up for yourself. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below with one thing you learned and how you plan to use it. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.